The Samsung W2018 is the upcoming flip phone from Samsung. The phone is in the W series of phones that are released by Samsung. The W series of phones basically consists of a phone with keypad running Android. The W2018 also will be no exception. Talking about the W2018, the phone will have great design and build quality. It will have a shiny body with full metal keys. It will have 4.2-inch display with full HD resolution. There will also be a secondary screen with full HD resolution. Flipping the phone will enable it to use it like a regular smartphone. The phone's design will be like a high-end smartphone attached to a keypad. In the camera department, the phone will have two great cameras. The rear camera will be a 12-megapixel shooter with LED flash, while the front camera will be a 5-megapixel shooter also equipped with LED flash. The phone will be powered by Snapdragon 835 processor, with 6 gigs of RAM. The phone will have a 2300 mAh battery. The phone will be running Android Marshmallow out of the box. This can be considered a bit of a drawback considering Android Nougat has full-fledged presence in the market.